Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you sift through the clutter and make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robotic vacuums. On the left, we have the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, and on the right, the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Get ready for an epic showdown. Let's start with the price tag. Shark AI comes in at a whopping $599. That's right, folks, this vacuum can almost pay your rent. Meanwhile, Kilgone is a more wallet-friendly $267. With that price difference, you could buy Kilgone and still have enough left for a decent dinner date. Score 1 for Kilgone. Next up, suction power. The Shark AI boasts incredible suction that can tackle the toughest messes in your home. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a bodybuilder. Kilgone, on the other hand, combines vacuuming and mopping with a tangle-free nozzle. It's like the multitasking ninja of vacuums. But if we're talking raw power, Shark AI takes this round. Boom! Shark AI flexes its muscles. Now, let's talk tech. Shark AI has Matrix Clean, giving your floors a precision grid cleaning that's more thorough than your grandma's Sunday dinner prep. It also empties itself for up to 60 days. It's like having a lazy but effective roommate. Kilgone offers 2-in-1 vacuuming and mopping with smart connectivity via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Plus, it has 4 cleaning modes and 3D obstacle avoidance. Kilgone is like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. This round, it's a tie, folks. Both bring their A game. Pet owners, listen up. Shark AI is perfect for homes with pets, thanks to its self-cleaning brush roll and powerful suction. It's practically a pet hair terminator. Kilgone also handles pet hair and has a slim design to get under your furniture. But can it handle the fur hurricane your golden retriever leaves behind? Doubtful. Shark AI wins this round with flying fur colors. Hands-free control is up next. Both vacuums offer voice control with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. You can sit back, relax, and command your vacuum like a king or queen. But Shark AI also lets you set a cleaning schedule and initiate on-demand cleaning, making it the more obedient servant. Another point for Shark AI. At battery life, anyone? Shark AI has an extended runtime with recharge and resume, so it'll pick up where it left off. Kilgone, with its 2,600 mAh battery, runs for up to 100 minutes and covers 1,290 square feet. It's like the marathon runner of vacuums. Kilgone takes this one, folks. No one likes a vacuum with commitment issues. According to Amazon reviews, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is highly praised for its powerful suction, efficient floor cleaning, and ability to map spaces effectively. However, some users noted issues with carpet cleaning and the need for manual adjustments. On the other hand, the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is celebrated for its affordability, ease of setup, and dual cleaning functions. Reviewers love its quiet operation and ability to reach difficult areas, though it struggles a bit with pet hair on carpets. And there you have it, folks. In the battle of Shark AI, Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum versus Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, it's clear that both have their strengths and quirks. If you're all about power and pet hair, Shark AI is your go-to. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly multitasker, Kilgone's your best bet. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another epic product showdown. Until next time, happy shopping, and may your floors always be spotless. Product links are in the description.